Have you ever pondered the intricate dance of language, the way letters and sounds twine together to form words, sentences, and stories? Today we're diving into the world of phonics, the building blocks of reading, and exploring its paramount importance in reading development. Imagine a world without phonics. This would be a world without reading. But let's consider for a moment. Phonics, at its core, is the system of relationships between letters and sounds in a language. It's our first step into the world of reading, a world filled with stories, information, and knowledge. Our journey begins with the basics. Phonics is all about understanding how letters are associated with sounds and how those sounds connect to form words. This is the foundation of reading. When children learn phonics, they learn to decode words by breaking them down into their individual sounds or phonemes. It's like unlocking a secret code, where each letter or group of letters represents a different sound. But phonics is not just about decoding, it's also about encoding. When children learn to write, they encode the sounds into letters to form words. This dual process of decoding and encoding builds a strong foundation for reading and writing. Now, why is phonics so crucial for reading development? The answer lies in a landmark report by the National Reading Panel. The panel's findings showed that systematic phonics instruction is a key component of effective reading programs. It significantly improves children's word recognition, spelling, and reading comprehension. These are critical skills for becoming a proficient reader. Moreover, the panel emphasized that phonics instruction is most effective when introduced early, typically in kindergarten or first grade. It helps children to map sounds to letters, a crucial skill that enables them to read words they've never seen before and to spell words they've never heard. The contributions of Louisa Moats, an American psychologist and reading instruction expert, cannot be overlooked in this context. Moats has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of phonics and its role in reading development. She emphasizes that phonics instruction should be explicit and systematic, with lessons that are carefully sequenced to gradually build children's knowledge and skills. So, to summarize, phonics is the bridge between the written and spoken language. It is the key that unlocks the world of reading. It helps children to decode and encode words, building a strong foundation for reading and writing. The National Reading Panel's research and Louisa Moats' work highlight the importance of systematic phonics instruction in early reading development. The beauty of phonics is it helps every child to read. It's a code, a way of connecting sounds and letters that opens up a world of words, a world of stories, a world of knowledge. It's a tool that every child needs to become a confident and proficient reader. And that's a tool worth sharing. Subscribe for more reading science.